Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we are doing something different which we usually don't do on this channel. Yes, we are going to unbox a device. The device is special. It is the Poco X3 Pro with a Snapdragon 860. Now if you remember this device, this is coming with a 855, and then we did have the 70 briefly on the channel with the 855 plus. So this is an addition to the 855 plus. This actually goes all the way up to 3.2 gigahertz. It has all the bells and whistles. So there's a lot of things that I want to inform you about this device and what all we are going to do. But before we get into all of that, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. In the description of each video, you will find a link to our Telegram community where we are about to complete 1,000 members, so join us there. Last but not the least, if you think the hard work is worth the effort, please click on the join button and support the channel. Now without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to PhoneOps. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. Alright, so as you can see over here, this is a Flipkart box. We have ordered it from Flipkart, and all the particulars are over here. A lot of things will be blurred, so ignore that, but just got this today morning and don't have the best of unboxing knives, but yeah, we don't do much unboxing over here. So opening up, we will first look at the box, look at the packaging, what all is included. So I'm pretty sure a lot of big channels have done the unboxing. You've seen a lot of content on this device, but for PhoneOps, this device is here to stay. A lot of custom ROMs are expected for this device, securely packaged. There we have it. Okay, let's get rid of this packaging real quick. All right, so a familiar black colored box is what we have. This is the same feeling that I got when I got the Pocophone F1. After a very long time, we are unboxing a new device by Poco. I cannot say that this is actually a true successor to the F1, but it is pretty close. The actual successor would be the F3 if that comes to India as the Redmi K40 and whatnot. So on the box, we have a bunch of specifications over here. We have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 867nm processor, a Reality Flow, that's a new name for their displays, 120Hz Full HD Plus with Corning Gorilla Glass 6. We do have a 48 megapixel AI quad camera setup and 20 megapixel in-screen selfie camera. It does say that it has super fast UFS 3.1 storage, 240Hz touch sampling rate, side fingerprint scanner, dual VoLTE plus voice over Wi-Fi, liquid cooling technology, dual stereo speakers, power delivery support, and game turbo 3.0. This is a graphite black 6128 variant. So those were the specifications. Now let's actually unbox this from here and here. So let's see what happens. Yep, so the packaging is pretty neat. All the other things are mentioned over here, and now we have the box in front of us. So first things first, we have this box. I'm pretty sure this should have the SIM ejector tool, standard affair, some leaflet which nobody reads, and then the important thing here is the case. So let's have a look at the case first, because I'm expecting this to be a beefy device, and this case is almost exactly the same, that just like the Poco X3 that you get, it's exactly the same case, matte finish. It might be a little thinner or something, but yeah, that's the case. And we do have the brand new X3 Pro over here. This black color is actually new and it looks great. I was also thinking of getting it in bronze, but because we got it in black, we did not go for bronze. Now apart from this, we should have a charging cable and a charging brick inside. Gone are the days when you used to get earbuds or earphones. A standard white color USB cable is what we have, and a big power brick. So I'm pretty sure this would be 33 watts. Nothing else in the box, so we will leave all of that aside. Alright, so time to unwrap this beauty, and pretty neat packaging for a phone that is 20,000 rupees. Okay. Now the branding, the looks are pretty amazing. If you put on a clear case, the phone would look great. I don't know how clearly it is visible, but in different lights there are different types of patterns, as you can see on the screen. And yeah, I know the X3 looks exactly the same. There is a screen guard up front, so no immediate need of getting the screen guard or the case. Both of them are supplied. We will remove this plastic because it accumulates dust and later it spoils the texture on your device. So that is how the phone looks, and we will quickly start the device. Okay, we will leave it aside to let it start, and let me show you a quick overview of what is what and what all is included. So first things first, at the back we have a quad camera setup, as it is mentioned over here, right? Quad camera setup with a LED flash, 48 megapixel main camera. You have a ultra wide and all the works. All right, at the bottom, if you have a look at the bottom, now that's the thing with black phones, there's not much that you can see, but you do have a speaker system over here. You have the Type-C port. You have a 3.5mm jack. Yes guys, 2021, some phones still retain the 3.5mm jack. Now to the right, you of course have the flush fingerprint scanner, which also acts as a power button, and the volume up and volume down rocker, which is quite tactile. To the left you have the SIM tray. Let me quickly actually show you the SIM tray. So this is a SIM tray. This is a hybrid SIM tray. You can use 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 SD card. So not really, you know, something bad or something good. It's just a decision that phone companies make. To the front you do have a selfie camera, and this is the great, you know, this is a great vivid 120 Hz display. At the top you do have a secondary microphone and the IR blaster, so all the works are there. So, you know, all in all, the unboxing experience is pretty decent. Now, before we end this particular unboxing video, there are a couple of things that I would like to share, which we are going to do as a content on this particular device. Now, first of all, today or tomorrow, we will try to live stream PUBG Mobile using PerfDog, so we will get all the works as to how is the stock ROM performing. At the same time, very soon there'll be a new video on how to unlock the bootloader on a Xiaomi device. Okay, once it is unlocked, we already have TWRP available. The ROMs will start coming. We will compare this, and a major thing that I wanted to inform you guys is I am switching from the iPhone 11 to the Poco X3 Pro, at least for 2 to 3 days. I'm going to use it. I'm going to tell you how it feels to move from iPhone 11 to the X3 Pro. Later down the line, I might keep the 11 or might get the ROG Phi. But for now, this is it for this unboxing video. Really excited to use this new particular device. Let's see how it goes. Until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at PhoneOps. Keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.